Well, we managed to convince the children to forego Christmas presents this year so that we could get some new fish for the fish room. Hi everyone, welcome back to our little fish room in the UK. So today's video, we've got some new fish. So we wanted some new fish. Oh, I need to explain, my voice sounds funny. Unfortunately, myself and Mrs. Aquadiction have been down with COVID since last Sunday and laid up in bed. Though not in a good way. Ugh. We've got over it pretty well, though we have absolutely no sense of smell whatsoever, which is kind of worrying, because how am I going to know when the milk's off now? Ugh. But anyway, so we've wanted some new fish since in one of our previous videos, as you saw, we killed all of our mascara barbs and several of our denisoni barbs, and the tank looks very empty now. The Borneo redfin sharks literally just live there. They don't seem to want to move. I'm guessing that's because that's where I feed them and they're always on the lookout for food, but even when they're stuffed, they'll still just hang around there. And the tank just looks empty. So we went on to Tropco website in the UK and saw these guys, which we've never ever seen before. So these are called Indian high fin headstander barbs. They look like a cross between a checker barb and a drape fin barb. However, they are a lot different. They are a different fish. These are babies at the minute. We were going to show you them last week, but they came in a terribly emaciated state, super skinny, and it's taken us about a week and a half to recover them to a level that I feel that they're going to make it now. We originally ordered 9 and we lost 2, but I think they're really cool even at this small size. From what I understand, the pectoral and pelvic fins turn bright red when they're older. As they're babies, with most barbs they haven't got much coloration, although they do have nice yellow markings on the dorsal fin. I just think they're really cool. I've never seen them before, never heard of them. Have any of you guys had any experience with keeping these? So the next problem is I feel that they're probably not going to be doing very well if I put them in our main aquarium, just because of the size of obviously the size difference, we'd have to grow them out anyway, but they seem quite, I wouldn't say shy, because they're always up front and center wanting a bit of attention. They're very personable fish, but I just feel like they're probably going to be very slow eaters, which we're kind of finding, but nowhere near to the level of, say, African barbs like the butterfly barbs or J barbs, or 8-banded barbs for that matter. But that'll just give us an excuse to get another aquarium that's another display aquarium, maybe for smaller barbs, although they do grow to 8 centimeters, so they're not going to be that small. We'll see. I'll give him a bit of a chance. This guy's really depressed since we sorted out the aquarium. We only put one silver flying fox back in and he's always sitting there. Looks really depressed. That's glad. May put his 2 other friends back in because we still do have them. So yeah, then now we're going to be trying to work out what else we're going to be putting this in the aquarium. Then if we're not going to put in these new Indian headstander barbs, we're thinking maybe some larger rainbows, possibly a school of tetras, but it would need to be quite a rare tetra. We don't, we've done cardinals, we've done neons, we've done most tetras over the lifespan of our fish keeping journey. So we'll see. I'll just give you a quick update on our. So this aquarium we just sort it out yesterday, and we've got 20 of a new Pseudomcgill rainbow fish coming. We've never heard of them before, never seen them. I can't remember for the life of me the name. I'll put it at the bottom, and I'll also put the scientific name of the Indian headstand barbs for you guys to see and check out. Check out some photos of them on Google, how they look when they are mature. I think you'll agree they're very different and nice barb. So this was our very first cross, first cross that we've documented on YouTube, and these are the F3s from the metal black lace guppy cross tiger endlers. We've just emptied out their aquarium because we've got other new fish come in, and this is the end of the road for these. We won't be keeping them. We've messaged a couple of people in the family. Do they excuse me, do they want them? So yeah, they're being rehomed. There's some nice ones in there, but I wouldn't say they're nice enough or different enough from the classic tiger endler to pursue them. Let us know in the comments what you think to that. So there's some interesting patterns. Some of the tails are a bit what I'd call jacked up. They're nice, but ultimately not what we're looking for. I'll show you a quick update on the other crosses we've got going on. So just bear with me a second. So in here we have the Gingarubra cross blue star endlers that are starting to colour up. This male's kind of looks like he's going to be a Gingarubra, but a non-blonde version, if that makes sense. It's going to be interesting. It's going to take a couple more weeks, I'm guessing, until he's fully coloured, but it looks like he's getting some blue from the blue star, obviously. It's not going to focus now. There you go. And he's getting some red from the Gingarubras, but he's a non-blonde. And there's a couple more males in here colouring up. The original female is going to drop one last batch. Where is she? She's down the back there with her boyfriend. Yeah, focus. Yeah, just about. So she's going to drop one last batch, and then we've got 3 batches, and then once they're fully coloured up, we'll decide if it's something we're going to pursue, hopefully. And the other cross that's, I mean, we've got babies from all our crosses, but I'll just give you an update on a couple that are starting to colour up. So this was the red cap cobra cross metal black lace guppy, and as you can see, there are a few males in. That's better. There's a few males in there starting to colour up. They don't look like they're getting the red cap of the original male. They are getting orangey red. That's probably a better example. They are getting orangey red and some black on them, which is kind of what we were expecting. But anyway, a few more weeks from now, hopefully we'll be able to show you how they turned out and if we're going to pursue them or not. So yeah, that's it for this video. We'll just give you a quick update. New fish in the fish room, new fish coming, and we're over COVID now, hopefully. So take care, guys, and we will see you shortly.